Hello, my name is Mabatu and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful, simple, light and airy, very versatile satin headscarf. And the best part is that it is ridiculously easy to make. In fact, I made one in black 2 years ago and it was time to grow my collection and add another one in a different color. So if you want to see exactly how I made it, keep watching and I'll also share with you some styling options. You will need some pins, a sewing machine, but not to worry, a needle and thread will work just fine, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, and about 1.5 square meters of satin fabric. Lay your fabric on a flat surface. You can use a scarf you already have for the measurements. I'm using my black one because I love the fit, and I'm including some seam allowance before I cut. You know what? At this point, I'm pretty much done. But if I were to leave it here, then my fabric would just keep fraying and I don't want that. Next, I tackle the corners. Look, I'm no seamstress and the last time I made this, the corners were quite janky. But with this one, I was determined to make them look a bit better. So starting with the right angle, I'm going to make a mitered corner, which will give my scarf a polished finish. So I pin down a 1 centimeter seam on both sides. Then I mark 2 centimeters down each side. Then I draw a line connecting the 2 marks. Then I fold and pin for now. With the acute angles, I fold my material in half and draw a line where the width is 2 centimeters. Then I fold along that line and draw a straight line along the folded edge. Then draw a line where the width is 1 centimeter. Then I pin down. Now I sew along where I made the markings for all the corners. You can use a back stitch if you don't have a sewing machine. I then trim off the material beyond where I've just sewed to reduce the bulk. Okay, almost done. All that's left to do now is to turn the corners, then fold and pin down a further 1 centimeter seam and then sew all around. And that is it. Quick and easy triangle satin headscarf DIY. You can make it for yourself and it makes a great gift. I think I'll add 1 or 2 more colors to my collection. I mostly wear it to bed with the shiny side on my hair to, retain moisture. I find the bonnet quite bulky and I hardly ever reach for it. Anyway, this one is quite versatile and you can wear it anytime. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. It is also reversible, so you can wear it with the shiny side against your hair, which is what is recommended for moisture retention. But you can also switch things up and have the shiny side facing out, so you have options. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you would give this DIY a try. And also share this video and do subscribe. Bye and God bless.